The prosecution could wrap up its case as soon as Friday in the trial of the man accused in Alexa Bartell's rock-throwing death.
Joseph Koenig is charged with first-degree murder. Today we heard from several experts and one of his friends. Denver 7's Danielle Kreuter is live outside the Jefferson County Courthouse. She's been following the trial closely.
And Danielle, the prosecutor mentioned things are moving much faster than expected today.
That's right. There's actually been pretty minimal cross-examination, and part of that could come from the fact that the prosecution and defense attorneys agree Koenig was involved in incidents of people throwing rocks at drivers who were going highway speeds. The big question, though, for the jury was Bartell's death a murder or the lesser charge of manslaughter? In court today, we heard from an expert who was able to link Koenig and some of the other suspects' phones to several of the rock-throwing locations, including the scene where Bartell was killed. Notably, we also heard from a friend of the suspect, a former coworker who was with all of the suspects that night and said he saw them collecting rocks before being asked to be dropped off at home.
The other three loading up landscaping rocks.
Had there been a discussion of this before that started?
No.
What were you doing while those rocks were being loaded?
Keeping to myself. And I had a customer come in and tell us about an incident that occurred there. And that's when I called Joe and asked him if he knew anything.
What did he say?
He said he went home earlier before any of that occurred.
Were you just kind of suspicious? Is that a good summary?
I was. I kind of gave him the benefit of the doubt, though.
Did anybody say anything about rocks, or they just magically started picking up rocks?
I believe Joe or one of the three said, "Hey, help me grab a couple of these."
The jury later submitted a question asking that witness if he asked to be taken home because he suspected what the defendants might have been doing with those rocks. That witness answered yes. Now, we are expected to hear from the two other defendants in this case sometime before the prosecution is expected to rest their case on Friday. For now, reporting live in Jefferson County, I'm Danielle Kreuter, Denver 7.